Hello guys, this is Leena Moon. Today I am going to tell you golden rules to improve your English speaking. Storytelling technique can improve our speaking ability. Storytelling inspires us to learn English. Tell the story to your practice partner or your best friend. Many people are being complaining that they have no one for English practice. If you don't have a friend to practice, you can tell the story yourself by standing in front of the mirror. I am going to suggest you simple English short stories to get you started. These stories are available with subtitles on YouTube. Search for Kids Heart English Stories. You will find so many stories here that you do not need to go anywhere. You can search one more, English Stories for Learning English. If you want to search books, go for Graded Readers in Google. Get books for your level and be sure to find books with audio. Stories are innately part of human experience. It is a part of our very being. Stories have a particular structure. They have beginning, middle and end. Short stories don't only give you an introduction to the important themes, but there is a moral at the end of the story. Stories stir our emotions. Stories can make you happy or sad. And when we are emotionally engaged, we remember things much more easily. Short stories are effective in helping English learners to practice all four aspects of language learning: reading, writing, listening and speaking. Let's get into some tips that will help you learn English. Reading or active reading. Your reading will only help you learn when you read actively. You are reading actively when you are paying very close attention to the story, its meanings, its words. Think about the vocabulary and grammar. After reading, try to remember some of the things you read about. A short story has smaller number of words than novel, so it can be read in shorter amount of time. If you choose a story that is too difficult, you will spend too much time looking up vocabulary, missing whole point of the story. You may become bored. Easier stories are good practice for vocabulary you already know. Don't make it too difficult. If the language is too hard, it is not enjoyable reading. So find books that suit you and your level. Test the book first. Instead of just buying a book, test it first. Read a few pages to see if you are going to like it. Join a book club. Join other people who are learning English and talk about particular books. This will help you to choose correct book. Listening to stories. Listening to stories is an effective way to learn new words, phrases and grammar. You can practice your speaking and listening skills by reading stories loudly and listening to recordings. Get the audiobook. If you read and listen to stories at the same time, you will learn how to pronounce words in English. You can listen to audiobook wherever you go, while traveling, working, or going for a walk. Listen to one of these podcasts that focus on storytelling. TED.com is a great place too. Find stories that engage you. Suppose I love talking about cricket, therefore I listen to podcasts about cricket. There is no need to read or listen to anything that you find boring. Writing skills. You can use short stories to enhance your writing skills by writing your stories. Suppose you have written a story today, then you have to write it again tomorrow morning. Copy story once every day. After few days, try to create your own sentences. Write down what the story is about in your own words to get even more practice. I want to further explore these golden rules. Tell family and friends to talk with you only in English. Do not worry if you make mistakes while talking in English. There is no need to be embarrassed if someone wants to correct you. Write your diary every day and tell your diary. I made a video on diary writing. If you haven't watched it yet, you can see a link is given below in the description box. Go through it. Read loudly one new story every day from storybook or magazine. In such a way, you will not only learn grammar naturally but also collect new words easily. After all, English cannot be taught, it can only be caught. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. If you find this video helpful, then do like it, share it. Thank you so much.